Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. My name's Desmond, and this is level 29 of OverTheWire's Bandit War Game Challenge. And I have a confession to make. This is the third time I'm doing this. First time, my kid walked in, messed up the recording. Second time, I neglected to hit start recording. And now I'm here for the third time. Third time's a charm. How does that benefit you? I'll tell you how. I know how to do this now. Partially because of the last round that we did taught me some things. And one of the things that I figured out, learned from the last round is that it was meant to be done from the local machine, as highlighted here. And we are to clone the directory from there. So here I am. I'm just going to go through the steps. Same thing I did. Just going to talk through it. So let's get going. So one of the things I did the last time is that I actually copied and pasted the command into a sheet over here. So now I don't have to write it all out. So we're going to clone from this directory. Wait, we're not ready for that. But this is the change here. It's that you had to add the port after the server name to be able to reach it. But we can't do that yet anyway because I need to make a temp directory. Now I already have a temp directory. Like I said, I just did this literally 40 seconds ago. But to make it as authentic as possible, I'm going to make another temporary directory. Control C, Control V. We're going to move in here, and this is where we're going to clone the repo. Control C, Control V, git clone, SSH, Bandit 28, this port number, cloning this repo. And we need the password from the last round. Boom, we're there. So let's see what's in here. ls -lh cd, let's go to the repo, ls. So let's see, so that readme file. Whoa. So at this point, I realized that the password had been X'd out. So I wanted to see a log of what happened. So I did git log. And it shows me the last, the only 3 commits to this file. This guy, this guy, this guy. And reading the comments, which is why it's important to put comments in your git commits, is my eye got fixated on this. It's fixing an info leak, which is indicating to me that that's probably where we need to focus. So we need to look at that commit, and that's what I googled here. Git show with the commit hash. So let's do that. Git show this guy here. Control C.
Hooray!
And that's it. Just la da. There's a password for the next level. You can see here with the minus, that tells us what was changed or removed, and what was added is here. You can also see that one of the markdown files had been updated. So I guess this is further detail of what this was aiming to change, but there it is. There's a password. machine upgraded. We're getting better at this. Stick around, please. I hope you do. Hope you're learning something. Leave a comment. And that's all I got to say about that. So as always, keep trucking along. Peace.